What's up, Janta? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And in today's video, I'll be reacting to Haikyuu episode number 5 of season 2. So, the last episode, the two guys from Karasuno just reached the summer camp, not summer camp, Tokyo training camp, and we saw some insane teams which were like specialized in something. Like one of them was specialized in serving and breaking the other team with just serves. They have to do 100 serves after the practice, after the daily practice. Other one was doing synchronized attacks, and one of them had top 5 aces of the country. And I'm really excited to see that team, the top 5 aces one. I guess it was the Fukurudane team. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this reaction. This is episode 5 from season 2 of Haikyuu. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's get this done. So they are not battling. They are playing Nekoma today. Ooh, so they played 2 times. Nekoma 2 times. And Nekoma won both of them yesterday. And Hinata and Kageyama weren't there yesterday. That's why I guess they won 2 sets. Or else it won't be that easy, bro. Come on, man. Like, this dude, this new dude just appeared, Liev, and he claimed to be the ace of Nekoma. And he said, I'll block. Yeah, I'll stop your first. I'll first to stop that attack of yours tomorrow, Hinata. Sakoi! I knew that. He's coming. Sakoi, what does Sakoi means? Does that mean, yeah, like, bring it on, like, just, let's go, let's bring it on. Yeah, something like that, right? Man, this is exhilarating. I am insanely like episode 5, greed. Ooh, what does that mean, greed? She was way too drunk. they are gonna kill it, man. Liev was instantly able to stop it like in... What? Like on the first set itself? Could not reacting to that fast. Oh, bro. He has, yeah, insane height, so... Are you smiling? Oh, yes! Get better than everyone there is. What? He didn't hear the call. I guess he was just looking at the ball. That's why he clashed with Asahi. Man. Oh yeah. See. Because his eyes were so fixated on the ball, he didn't hear what's going around him, or he didn't see Asahi coming. Yes. Kageyama. Yes, exactly. Ooh, no way.
ひなガラスに進化の時かそれがチームにとって基地か強化それでも変化を求めないものには進化もない
Yes, you have to seek change. That's when you'll be able to change.
花形であれ英雄であれ勝利を引き寄せるエースであれ
You could be anyone, but you need to greedily declare that. Will Hinata be able to declare that? There it is. My boy is trying to improvise the insane fast attack by opening his eyes and not closing them. So he has, I guess, more control in air and can decide after looking at the situation. He wants to evolve, but Kageyama doesn't want to experiment right now because he knows he'll miss. Oh, come on.
でも日向と影山だけじゃない。日向と東根がぶつかってから全員
The atmosphere surrounding the team, the air surrounding the team, you say, right? The vibe has changed completely.
このままではひたすら貪欲に成長し続ける日向に食われる。選手らに意識の変化があるようだな。確かに行き詰まった今が成長のチャンス。でもどう言えば。
皆さんはここにいるチームの中で一番弱いですね。
What? Takeda just said it outright.
どのチームも
If he played any of them in an official match right now, we'd be in a world of trouble. But that is true, man. Who is this Bokuto dude? I guess his name is Bokuto, right?
君たちが弱いということは伸びしろがあるということ。こんな楽しみなことはないでしょう。
This is also true. When you're weak and you have potential to grow,
正常戦のラスト気づいたら負けてた。気づいたら打ったボールは俺の後ろで床に落ちてた。
yeah, because till he opened his eyes, the block was already there, the ball already flew back. Oh, bang.
最後完全に読まれた。
Shit, man.
俺が負けたのに影山に謝られるなんて嫌だ。空中での最後の一瞬まで自分で戦いたい。
Boy is trying so hard to evolve. So hard.
正常戦でスパイカーの 100% の力を引き出すのがセッターだってちょっと分かった。あの速攻はお前の最大の武器だ。そんであの速攻にとってほんの少しのズレは致命的なズレになる。あの速攻にお前の意志は必要ない。3対3で初めて速攻を決めた時も
This is turning an internal conflict between Hinata himself. Like Hinata is fighting someone inside, I guess.
あ、いた。頑張りますよ。お前のやりたいことをどうするかはともかく、今日は一旦頭を冷やせ。今の状況で試してもうまくいくとも思えねえし、またさっきみたいな接触プレーで怪我されたら。
Yeah, Hinata's greed is growing, and that may enable other players to grow. This dude. So they are playing Fukurodani next, yeah? Kageyama will have to grow as well to a new level to do something different with Hinata. Oh, dude. That hair is so cool, man. It's half dark gray, blackish kind of, and then this light gray, whatever that is.
今回は本当にいい合宿でしたね。
Yeah, so also Asahi thinks that if Hinata's greed like always keeps on growing, he'll be better than Asahi and will steal the ace spot which Asahi doesn't want, because Asahi is the ace. He now has started taking pride in that ace thing, and he won't let that spot go easily. I'm pretty sure. Come on, man. Do it. Yes! Let's go. It's fast. Distracted by the ball and can't jump. Oh, okay. So that's the main problem, right? If he's looking at the ball, he won't be able to just go and do that. But what if he just goes and jumps and then he opens his eyes midair? Is that possible? Maybe I'm asking way too something inhuman. Kageyama knows. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, why are they not practicing the basics? Like the blocking, like not blocking, maybe receiving is.
コートにいる意味がなくなる。だからこの速攻にお前の意志は必要ないって言ったんだ。 俺がブロックに捕まんないトスを上げてやる。それじゃあ俺は上手くなれないままだ。
He realizes the intensity of the situation.
俺の言ってることの方が正しいはずなのに。なんで
Hinata is also adamant. He doesn't want to give up. He wants to learn how to fight, or he will be like, Sifin is going to destroy. Don't fight, dude. Come on. Let's just find a good way in between.
仲良くしよう。
It's an internal conflict. Teammates fighting.
トス上げてくれるまで離さない。
I mean,
あの速攻止められたじゃねえか。お前
there are two things here going on, right?
てめえ俺のトスが悪かったって言いたいのか。違う、そうじゃない。完璧だった。ドンピシャだった。なのに止められた。俺が今のままじゃ上にはもう通用しないんだ。おい、お前ら
Tanaka to the rescue! So what I was saying was there are two things going on. This first thing, Kageyama thinks if it is better, if it's better to grow for the team, they are like good doing the old stuff, and he'll do the best sets for Hinata, so it won't be a problem, and that would be good for the team, right? I guess Hinata is a little bit thinking about himself because he wants to evolve, and he knows that he can only pull that fast attack with Kageyama. So he wants to battle on his own so that he can evolve at a greater pace. Because if just Kageyama is replaced by someone else, what else? What else will be? Like, what else will he do? He'll just be a normal dude just jumping around here and there. He won't be the greatest decoy anymore. So he wants to evolve because he doesn't want to rely on Kageyama so much. Okay. Oh shit, bro. This is getting tough. This is getting tough.
あいつらの喧嘩って今に始まったことじゃないだろう。
そういやあいつら入部届出す前から喧嘩してましたよね。
え、そうなの？
初日から共同で吹っ飛ばすわ。第一に体育館締め出されるわで大変だったよな。
まあ確かにそういうのをいろいろ乗り越えてきたわけだし。
な、だから俺たちは信じて待とう。あいつらを。
I guess, yeah. They'll
あの目、自分がジャンプの最高点にいる時間など文字通り一瞬。ブロックが見えると言っても普通はぼんやりと認識する程度。でも稀にブロッカーの指先までくっきりと、さらにはその奥の位置まで瞬時に見えるスパイカーがいるって聞く。日向にはそれが見えている。神業的セットアップから繰り出される速攻。それを空中で日向が自分の意思で
he would be invincible on his own as well.
でも
What if? There's always a possibility. What if?
あのコンビは小さな巨人をも超える
Oh!
空中戦の
Oh. If there's even 1%, 2% possibility of what ifs, I guess you need to just take that possibility and just go after it. This was a nice episode. I so loved it because it was so crucial and essential for the betterment of Hinata, the betterment of team, I guess, and even like Kageyama will now be thinking of something, I guess, because it was just a great episode. There's no reason to deny that. Hinata just trying to evolve, man. I think he'll find a way eventually. Maybe not if whatever it might be, but let's see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop it down one of this below, and in the comment section give me your suggestions and feedback, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
揺れてる